To pair your AirPods, first, place them both in the case and close the lid. Then click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Next, go to Bluetooth in the left sidebar and make sure it's turned on. Finally, open your AirPods case and click Connect when they appear under My Devices or Nearby Devices. If your AirPods don't appear, put them in pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case for about 5 seconds, or until you see the status light start flashing white. If your case doesn't have a Setup button on the back, double tap the front of the case instead. To quickly pair your AirPods, click the Control Center icon in the top right corner of your screen and select Bluetooth. Then, open your AirPods case and select the AirPods icon when it appears. To change your AirPods settings, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Then, go to Bluetooth and click the eye icon next to your AirPods. Finally, click AirPods Settings. From here, you can turn on noise cancellation mode or change other settings. You can also access your AirPods settings by clicking the AirPods icon in the top right corner of your screen. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.